See the figure. In addition, we add the page number and frame number to the TLB so that they will be found quickly on the next reference. If the TLB is already full of entries, the OS must select one for replacement. Percentage of times that a particular page number is found in the TLB is called hit ratio. Advantage: search operation is fast. Disadvantage: hardware is expensive. Some TLBs have wired down entries that cannot be removed. Some TLBs store ACID address space identifier in each entry of the TLB that uniquely identify each process and provide address space protection for that process. Now let us see protection. Memory protection is achieved by protection bits for each frame. The protection bits are kept in the page table. One protection bit can define a page to be read, write or read only. Every reference to the memory goes through the page table to find the correct frame number. Firstly, the physical address is computed. At the same time, the protection bit is checked to verify that no writes are being made to a read-only page. An attempt to write to a read-only page causes a hardware trap to the OS or memory protection violation. Valid invalid bit. This bit is attached to each entry in the page table. Valid bit. Valid indicates that the associated page is in the process logical address space and is thus a legal page. Invalid bit. Invalid indicates that the page is not in the process logical address space. Illegal addresses are trapped by use of the valid invalid bit. The OS sets this bit for each page to allow or disallow access to the page. See the figure. Now let us see shared pages. An advantage of paging is the possibility of sharing common code. Re-entrant code. Pure code is non-self-modifying code. It never changes during execution. Two or more processes can execute the same code at the same time. Each process has its own copy of registers and data storage to hold the data for the process's execution. The data for two different processes will be different. Only one copy of the editor need to be kept in physical memory. See the figure 5.12. Each user's page table maps onto the same physical copy of the edited, but data pages are mapped onto different frames. Disadvantages. Systems that use inverted page tables have difficulty implementing shared memory. See the figure. Structure of the page table. The most common techniques for structuring the page table: hierarchical paging, hashed page tables, inverted page tables. Hierarchical paging problem. Most computers support a large logical address space 2322264. In these systems, the page table itself becomes excessively large. Solution: divide the page table into smaller pieces. Two-level paging algorithm. The page table itself is also paged. This is also known as a forward mapped page table because address translation works from the outer page table inwards. See the figure. For example, consider the system with a 32-bit logical address space and page size of 4 KB. A logical address is divided into 20-bit page number and a 12-bit page offset. Since the page table is paged, the page number is further divided into 10-bit page number and 10-bit page offset. Thus, a logical address is as follows: where P1 is the index into the outer page table, P2 is the displacement within the page number of inner page table. The address translation method for this architecture is shown in the below figure. Because address translation works from the outer page table inward, this scheme is also known as a forward mapped page table. Now let us see hash page tables. This approach is used for handling address spaces larger than 32 bits. The hash value is the virtual page number. Each entry in the hash table contains a linked list of elements that hash to the same location to handle collisions. Each element consists of three fields: virtual page number, value of the mapped page frame, and a pointer to the next element in the linked list. The algorithm works as follows. The virtual page number is hashed into the hash table. The virtual page number is compared with the first element in the linked list. If there is a match, the corresponding page frame field 2 is used to form the desired physical address. If there is no match, subsequent entries in the linked list are searched for a matching virtual page number. See the figure. Inverted page tables has one entry for each real page of memory. Each entry consists of virtual address of a page stored in that real memory location and information about the process that owns the page. Each virtual address consists of a triplet process ID, comma, page number, comma, offset. Each inverted page table entry is a pair process ID, comma, page number. See the figure. The algorithm works as follows. When a memory reference occurs, a part of the virtual address consisting of a process ID, page number is presented to the memory subsystem. The inverted page table is then searched for a match. If match is found at entry I, then the physical address I, offset is generated. If no match is found, then an illegal address access has been attempted. Advantage: decrease memory needed to store each page table. Disadvantages: increase amount of time needed to search a table when a page reference occurs. Difficulty implementing shared memory. Segmentation. Basic method of segmentation. This is a memory management scheme that supports user review of memory. See the figure 1. A logical address space is a collection of segments. Each segment has a name and a length. The addresses specify both segment name and offset within the segment. Normally the user program is compiled and the compiler automatically constructs segments reflecting the input program. For example, the code, global variables, the heap from which memory is allocated, the stacks used by each thread, the standard C library. See the figure. Hardware support for segmentation. Segment table maps two-dimensional user-defined addresses into one-dimensional physical address. In the segment table, each entry has following two fields. Segment base contains starting physical address where the segment resides in memory. Segment limit specifies the length of the segment. See the figure 2. A logical address consists of two parts. Segment number is used as an index to the segment table. Offset D must be between 0 and the segment limit. If offset is not between 0 and segment limit, then we trap to the OS logical addressing attempt beyond the end of the segment. If offset is legal, then it is added to the segment base to produce the physical memory address. See the figure. See the question bank. Some questions. Here also questions continued. See the university questions here. Here university questions continues.